Hey, what's up everybody? Wolf Daddy here at Team Wolf Daddy. Welcome back to the channel. I haven't done an upload in a while. I've been meaning to. I had this company, LASFIT, which is LASFIT.com, send me out some LED lights for the truck. Unfortunately, those of you who know, I blew the truck up, so it's not in my hands. The truck's at B. Woody Performance out in Maryland. They're doing a heck of a job with it. But it's just not in my hands for me to do an install on these lights. But I definitely wanted to get this video up. So those of you who are interested in LED lights, LASFIT.com. They sent me out these incredible lights and we're going to go ahead and unbox them. Okay guys, so I don't have any GoPro mount, so I'm going to try to one-hand this. We'll see if I can open these boxes up. Here we have the license plate lights. You guys can see those. Just little tiny lights. That's more of an accessory, I guess, than anything. But the low beams, the high beams, that is a necessity. At least for me, I do a lot of driving at night, and I don't like to hit deer. So if you guys need more lighting, definitely check this company out, LASFIT.com, LED lighting. Send a nice box out. Everything's packaged really nicely. Inside they got a little card, pretty much just telling you to go to the site, leave a nice review. Also shows the 100% money back guarantee, free 30-day return. So there's your card there. They send a product manual, and then they send some pretty dope stickers out as well. Inside everything is foamed, everything is protected. Don't have to worry about it getting damaged in shipping. And these lights are extremely high quality, good solid housing, fan inside, as well as a nice gasket there. They're also plug and play lights, no more big harnesses and all that other stuff. Just put them in, plug them in, and it's a positive, negative. These lights will plug in either way. So when you're doing that, if the lights don't work, don't freak out. Just unplug it and plug it back. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and definitely if you're in the market for some LED lights, go check them out, LASFIT.com, and I cannot wait to install these. When we rip the truck back apart again, I will definitely make another video. Unfortunately, I just can't do it right now. The truck's at B. Woody Performance. Those of you who follow me knew that I blew it up. So B. Woody's doing a heck of a job on that. We have a new short block in there, and we also have a lot of the supporting mods that I should have had on it before I blew it up. But it is what it is. It's a learning experience. So can't wait to get the truck back. Can't wait to get the lights in, and looking forward to everything. So definitely give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you want to see the install video. Hopefully have it within the next month or two. So definitely, thanks guys.